November 2020. 8 months since our world was flipped on its head and the isolation is taking its toll. I've been able to hold it together so far thanks in great part to this bike. There's nothing quite like the visceral experience of riding a motorcycle. Being exposed to the elements is a very unique experience, and the danger's always in the back of your mind, making you hyper aware of everything. It may be stressful for some, but for us motorcyclists, it's where we clear our minds and find clarity. But now I want it more. Nature has always been a place where I go to soothe my soul and find inspiration. It reminds me of what's really important. I couldn't imagine a better way to find what I was looking for than combining both and going on a solo moto camping trip. Now, if you saw my long-term review, you know I've kept this bike stripped down because it's the look that I love, even if it's at the cost of sacrificing comfort and or convenience. Well, that means my options are limited when it comes to carrying luggage. I wanted something big enough where I can carry the camping essentials for 2 days and my camera gear. It also needed to go on my passenger seat without having to add anything to the bike like a sissy bar. I found this bag on Revzilla and it checked all the boxes. I've never done anything like this before, but I was determined to make it work. After watching countless of camping videos on YouTube, I grabbed a few things off Amazon, created my route on Google Maps, and I was ready to go. Or as ready as I would ever be, I guess. It's the day that I'm leaving. This is how the bike looks. That's my setup. As soon as I get over there, I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. If it worked, if it didn't. Hopefully it does. It's pretty sturdy, actually. I'm super happy that I got these rock straps. Definitely give me more sense of security. By the way, check out my levers. I'm super stoked. And just so we have record, I'm at 16,800 miles right now. And I'm filled up, so I'm ready to go. All right. Thank you for checking this video out. See you guys soon. I don't think I'm gonna post this video, but Ricky, this is for you, bro. You're actually pretty nervous, but excited. Super excited that I'm doing this. One of the best things of living in Austin is that you don't have to go far to get away from the urban jungle and start enjoying the Texas Hill Country. The fusion of Spanish and German influences in the area make it a very unique and fascinating place. And its canyons and hills make it a perfect playground for motorcycle riders. So I am feeling a little breeze coming in, and I only have a t-shirt on, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that right now. I have a little thermal there that I'm gonna put on. I'm glad I thought that through and put it super accessible, so just in case this happened, it wouldn't be an issue. Immediately I know I want a new seat, but I already knew that before coming over here. And I would love the little accessory here with the USB to charge my phone. Definitely need that. What's up, guys? I'm doing my first stop for some coffee and a bagel. I'm here in this little cool coffee shop in Johnson City. And there's the baby. Not too shabby. All right, see you guys a little bit further down. Our way. What's up, Carmel?
Hello, officer.
Hello,
how you doing? Yes, sir. This is I just got my motorcycle permit, so they gave me that temp and my actual license.
What's your last name? You living in Austin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, you're speeding in the school zone.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Shit.
Well, 31, speeding is 20.
Jesus Christ.
Are you from Austin? You living in town? Did you move here? Are you visiting Carmel?
I'm going on my way to Three Twisted Sisters to do some camping.
Oh, okay. Hold on. What year is your motorcycle? You have insurance for your motorcycle?
18. I have it on my phone. Oh, actually.
If you can't find it, let me see if I can find it on a computer. It's an Indian Scout.
Indian Scout Bobber, yes.
Hold on to this.
Yeah, it's my other
I was
motorcycle.
able to find it.
Okay.
Okay.
Awesome.
I'm gonna write you a warning today.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Just
yeah, definitely. And I'm just starting off, so thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're not from here, you don't know, but yes, school's right there.
Yeah. There's big signs everywhere. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yes, I'm recording. Thank you. Well, I honestly did not see the signs.
And that happened because I wasn't paying attention. I could have gotten super upset about it, but I immediately knew this was a good thing. I learned something. And to be honest, with what I was about to witness, I had no time to be upset. Just like in life, when traveling is not about the destination, but the journey. This is especially true when traveling on a motorcycle. I was already feeling this trip changing me in deep ways, and it was just the beginning, man. I felt super proud of actually doing this that I had dreamt about for so long. I think we all learned in 2020 that things can change drastically in a heartbeat, so there's no time to waste. And even though I was nervous, I just had to do it. And I'm so happy I did. Three Twisted Sisters, baby. We out here.
What's up, man?
How's it going, brother?
Doing good, brother? Good.
Man, that's a beautiful bike.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
What is that?
The Indian Scout. It's the Bobber edition.
Oh man, that's badass.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. My dream bike.
Yeah. I want to be so bad.
Are you from this area?
Yeah.
Damn, lucky you.
I grew up
This,
there, man.
this is beautiful out here.
Yeah, you riding the Three Sisters?
Yes, sir. Yeah. People out here are so cool. All right, brother. Have a good one, man.
You too, bro. Right there.
You too.
And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Three Twisted Sisters. This that you're seeing now is road 337, and it's one of 3 that I'll be riding on next week's video, so make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification so you don't miss it. Even though I ended up leaving home a lot later than I wanted, it actually worked out. Well, just see for yourself. Some curvy roads, my Indian Scout bobber, and that beautiful Texas Hill Country sunset.
I have a camping reservation. Gorgeous, man. By the river. I am so excited, guys. I finally made it. The sun is still out, and I think I have the river all to myself, so I can pick a nice spot. I'm so pumped, man. Definitely going down here. Okay. Wow. What's up, guys? I made it to the campsite. Look at this, man. All to myself. This is the plan. This is where I want to sleep. And I want to set the bike right over there. Maybe get some pictures of the whole thing. So this is it, guys. About to set up camp. See how it goes. By the way, I love that tent. It's super easy to set up. It took me like 5-10 minutes. It's beautiful out here. Let me go ahead and finish. Look at this. Got some ducks saying hi to me. Where you guys at? see, I already finished setting up my tent. Bike is right there, looking pretty. The river in the background. Yeah, man, it doesn't get better than this. So as you can see, now I'm inside the tent. It's actually been a few hours after you guys saw me setting up the tent. I've actually spent most of that time transferring all the videos to this hard drive. That wasn't too much fun, but anyways, tomorrow, I'm super excited for tomorrow. I'm gonna be riding the 3 Twisted Sisters, try to grab some pictures, some videos, so stay tuned. See you guys tomorrow in the morning.